Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video in CapCut PC. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to upload your video, how to import your video in this application, and how to export the video as well. So first step, what you have to do is make sure you have downloaded the latest version of CapCut from the official website. So once you have done that, what you have to do is open the CapCut application. So just click on Windows and search for CapCut and open the CapCut application. So yeah, once you have done that, you'll see this sort of interface. So now what you have to do to import or upload the video in CapCut is just click on this import option. So what you have to do is click over here and go to videos tab, and you can just import various videos. So I'm just going to import a video over here. Alright, so over here what you have to do is just click on any video that you want to upload to CapCut. So over here I'm just click here and click on open. So as you can see, this is on our tab over here. So to upload this, just drag into your timeline, and over here you can see that we have video on our timeline. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to upload. So now let's head on to the exporting part. So to export this video, what you have to do is just click on export, and over here you can see you have to give the title. So I'm just going to give a random title over here, and make sure the video resolution, you can set it from here 2K, 4K or 1080p. So I'm just going to leave it at 1080p. Make sure your bitrate is a bit higher, and our codec will be the S.264, and our format is MP4. Now what you have to do is just click on export, and our video will be exported. So that is how you will be able to upload videos in your CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.